So guys, these are some of the benefits and policies of being a host on Niki Live app. The first is like you go live for 3 hours daily basis. You go live for 3 hours and you'll be paid a salary of $1 to $6 per day. That is per 3 hours that you go live. And remember, if you are live, there are other things too. You are being rewarded when you are live. People gift you and different tasks that you perform. So if you're a host on Niki Live app, if you go live for 3 hours, you'll be paid a salary of $1 to $6 per day. And again, you get a chance to share your link or maybe your account ID with your friends. They go live on a weekly basis and you'll be paid $16 per week when your friends go live on a weekly basis. So these are some of the benefits or welfare that we have on Niki Live app. So in my next video, I'm going to talk more about agency, so how to make money on Niki Live as an agent. For now, this only about some of the benefits and the policies of being a host on Niki Live app. So watch the rest of the video for you to understand everything that I'm talking about. So guys, you can see I'm live on Niki Live app. So I'm a host. So as a host on Niki Live app, you have some priorities, like not like any other person. Niki Live app, you have priorities like whereby you can go live for 3 hours. Like me right now, I can go live for 3 hours. Then get paid from $1 to $6 as my salary at the end of the day. So that is something you get daily. So in Niki Live, we have many ways of making money. It pays, guys. So as a host, you can also make money as you invite your friends as they go live weekly. They have to go live weekly and you'll be rewarded $16 per friend who goes live on a weekly basis. So it's so simple. You just need to go live for 3 hours as a host. You'll be paid $1 to $6 as your daily salary. So imagine you go live 3 hours every day for about 6 days. So you earn like $6 times 6. That will be 36 from and other things too you can also do on this app or Niki Live app. So as a host, let me show you something. So as a host, you just need to maybe copy your ID, your referral link, or maybe your account ID. So whenever your invitee maybe register for account, they'll be able to place your card, or maybe you just give them your referral link. That's so simple. So you'll make a lot. You'll make a lot as a host on Niki Live. You can see the rewards. You can see the rewards right here. This one, if you the person you've invited goes live every day. So these are the rewards that you'll be getting every day. So guys, this is what I wanted to share about being a quality host on Niki Live app. So in my next video, I'll explain more about agency. So make sure you watch my next video for you to learn more. And if you want to join, I'm going to put the link on the comment section on TikTok. Then if you want to join, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can go to the description of the video.